Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Sonia Mekhachan and you're watching another Sonia Psycho Saturday. Today we will talk about the let them theory and how this will immediately change so much in your mindset, bring so much acceptance, positivity and bring you so much peace of mind. Let them theory आपको क्या कहती है? What does let them mean? It simply means that you accept the facts of how things simply are and not putting yourself so much into something जिसको आप change नहीं कर सकते. Right? If someone is not okay with you, let them. If they would not understand you, let them. Sometimes you could go 100 miles for someone, do the most for someone, but if they don't realize the value of it, you are not to blame. Let them think that way. Let them be that way. You are doing your best, and that's what matters. You tried to go overboard for someone, but still they are not happy with you. So let them be that way. See guys, what I mean over here is simply कि कुछ चीज़ें हमारे कंट्रोल में होती हैं और कुछ नहीं. This simply means to let them be the way they are and you be the way you are. के हाथ में और आपके कंट्रोल में सिर्फ आपके एक्शंस होते हैं, आपकी चॉइसेस होती हैं, आपके थॉट्स होते हैं. What you do, your behaviors, your control, your emotions, everything. These things are under your control. But कोई कैसे behave कर रहा है, किस तरह से act कर रहा है, आपको कैसे treat कर रहा है, how they are acting, this is not under your control. You cannot control this. Understand this, that you cannot change people. The only person you have control over is your own self. आप सिर्फ अपने आप में changes ला सकते हैं. You can only change yourself. You can only improve yourself. आप अगले बंदे के ऊपर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं रखते हैं. You do not have control of how they should behave, how they should act, how they should treat you. So stop trying so much to fix things which you do not have control over. All you can do is give as much as you can in a certain boundary. Respect that. आपके ओवर रिएक्ट करने से, आपके ओवर थिंक करने से, आपके ओवर एफर्ट से, एक्स्ट्रा पुट इन से कुछ नहीं होगा if the other person does not value that. If the other person does not realize the goodness or what value you are in their life and how much you are trying to put in, it does not matter, because आप उनको नहीं बदल सकते. You let them be the way they are. You don't have control over these things. अगला बंदा सिर्फ तभी बदल सकता है जब वो खुद बदलना चाहे. And when the other person values you, they would not even think of saying things, of doing things, of behaving in a certain way that would be of, harm to you, would be disrespectful to you, would make you upset. They would not. इतनी दफ़ा we people are unnecessarily so frustrated, so stressed out and overthinking about nonsense. जो चीज़ हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है। लेट देम थ्योरी हमें ये सिखाती है that we should not be stressing over these things because these are not under our control. If someone is rude to you, let them be. If someone thinks you're a bad person, let them. तो आप अपनी एनर्जी क्यों ज़ाया कर रहे हैं वापस रिएक्ट करके, वापस चीख के, लड़ के? That does not require your energy at all. वो लिटरली वो इंसान आपकी एनर्जी, आपकी रिएक्शन नहीं डिजर्व करता. Why would you choose to be like that, to be like them? Every day, God gives us a choice on our actions, on our decisions, on our choices, on our behaviors. Every day, try your best to be kind. This is number one thing that I would suggest. No matter कोई आपसे जितना मर्जी लड़ ले, जितनी मर्जी बदतमीजी कर ले, ना समझे आपको, let them be that way. Just be kind. Let them be that way. Don't answer. Don't argue. Let it be. Let it go. Let them be. जितनी मर्जी एनर्जी पुट इन कर लें, जितने मर्जी एडवाइसेस दे लें, जितना मर्जी कोशिश कर लें कि I have the solution for you, I can fix this for you, I have the advices for you, maybe be this way, act this way, this is better for you, this is not better for you. You have to know that at the end of the day, you can only give your advice to the other person. आप सिर्फ अपनी एडवाइस दे सकते हैं, आप सिर्फ अपनी तरफ से कोशिश कर सकते हैं, आप सिर्फ अपनी रिस्पेक्ट दे सकते हैं. So you choose to be that way. If your friend, if your relative, your family member, anyone, they don't align with your decision, या वो आपकी एडवाइस नहीं लेते, and they still choose to do the opposite thing that you advised, let them be. Because it's their choice. They have the control over their life. You don't. So don't be disappointed when they choose the opposite thing. Don't take the stress of that. आप क्यों इस चीज़ का स्ट्रेस लेके फ्रस्ट्रेट होंगे कि ओके दिस इज़ नॉट ओके फॉर दिस पर्सन? It's their life. You can only give the advice. Just remember that you only have the control over your own life, over your own choices. So the next time anyone tries to argue with you, your thoughts don't align with someone, कोई आपको नहीं समझ रहा, आप किसी को नहीं समझ रहे, कोई आपसे फालतू में लड़ रहा है, फालतू में बहस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, let them be. And just apply this concept. Just think that does this even require my energy or my reaction? क्या अगर अगला बंदा आपसे लड़ रहा है, just think this way, अगर अगला बंदा आपसे लड़ रहा है, मुझे बताएं आपके लड़ने का वापस क्या फ़ायदा होगा? The argument is only going to get more and more heated. Nothing else is gonna come out of it. Be mindful of how you react to things, how you're putting your energy into things. And if they can't value for who you are, let them be. I would just close off this video with the few lines from the poem, and it goes like, just let them. If they want to choose something or someone over you, let them. If they want to go weeks without talking to you, let them. If they are okay with never seeing you, let them. If they are okay with all this putting themselves first, let them. If they are showing you who they are and not what you perceive them to be, let them. If they want to follow the crowd, let them. If they want to judge or misunderstand you, let them. If they act like they can't live without you, let them. If they want to walk out of your life and leave, hold the door open and let them. Let them lose you. You were never theirs because you were always your own. So let them. So guys, remember, we all are humans. हम किसी की नज़रों में अच्छे होते हैं, किसी की नज़रों में बुरे होते हैं, किसी के लिए हम बहुत ख़ास होते हैं, किसी के लिए हम कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रखते, किसी के लिए हम छोटा मोटा भी कुछ कर दें तो दे वुड बी सो हैप्पी, एंड किसी के लिए हम सब कुछ भी कर लें तो वो कुछ नहीं समझते. We all love, we all hate, we all cry, we all feel pain, we all feel lots of emotions, anger, frustration and everything. Just remember कि हमेशा हर कोई आपसे उस तरह प्यार नहीं करता है, आपकी उस तरह कदर नहीं करता जिस तरह आप चाहते हैं. And that is completely normal. Be okay with this and let them be. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Sometimes just be okay with people not being okay with you, and trust me, you will be a lot better.